Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is to Automaker. Today, I'm here to answer a question from our fans. Are gas furnaces suitable for beginners? Okay, let's get started right now. This is a gas melting furnace without refractory cement. The weight is only 495 kg, and it is very easy for female operators to move it. And this is a furnace without refractory cement in it, though it is heavier. The weight is almost 1.5 of the one without refractory cement. They are of same capacity. They both can hold 6 kg molten copper, or 3.2 kg molten aluminium. This one is the one without refractory cement. The highest temperature is 1400 centigrade. It can melt all materials which melting point is below that. The inside is 3 in ceramic cotton, which increases the furnace as fuel efficiency up to 40% and refractory life up to 50%. It can function well for at least 3 years with proper operation. It is quite simple to start metal melting. It has time to start the melting. We need to connect the gas regulator to the gas tank, which can be used to adjust the pressure. Then connect the burner to the furnace. Make sure the burner is installed into the right position. We got some aluminium pieces here. We will melt them with this propane melting furnace, and pour the molten liquid in the mold to make an aluminium bar. Let's put the pieces into the crucible. Then turn on the gas and adjust the regulator to 1.5 side. After all is done, we can start the melting. If you want to start like this, this is the right way. Put on the apron, the helmet and also the gloves. Always remember to wear the PPE. These will protect us in the whole melting process. Excited to witness the magic. Now it is all ready. Let's get started to see the magic of the fire in this melting furnace. By the way, don't forget to cover the furnace lid. This will keep the heat inside the furnace and help melting faster. Wow, this melting furnace took only 15 minutes to melt the aluminium pieces. Be careful when you open the lid. When we see the aluminium pieces became liquid, we can preheat the mold now. Normally we can use a torch gun to preheat it. This will dry the water on the mold. This is the most basic and common mold. It is easy to pour the molten metal into a bigger mold. When we get more familiar, we can try some special and custom mold. After the molten metal became solid metal again, we can take it out and put it in water to cool it off. Do not touch it with your hands. The mold and metal are really hot. This is what we got today. An aluminium bar in the end. After we tested the propane melting furnace, we got that the melting furnace is powered by gas tank, and it heats up quickly. It is quite high efficient. So if you are a beginner and you prefer to use it outdoor in your yard, and also want to melt more metal at one time, a propane melting furnace is a good choice for you. Will you choose a propane melting furnace to start your melting journey? Welcome to share your thoughts and experience in comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Automaker. See you guys next time.